Alright folks, this is my first video. It's on how to pick a tower bean handcuffs, early 1900. Now, I bought these without a key, but I found a key on the internet. Had to sand it down a little bit so it'd go in the hole, and they work fine. You can see. Well, the other side would not open, so I learned to pick this lock. These are very hard handcuffs to pick. That's why they liked them so well back in the day. Because these two paws in here, you can see those. There's two paws that catch on this ratchet right here. One on each side, and they're separated by this groove here. They go in and they catch when you close. Like can you see those in there? It's kind of hard with lighting and everything. Anyway, there's two of those in there, and they have to be pushed. And this dental pick I have fits perfectly in there, and you can push them down. And I had to have one side open so I could learn how to do this. So what you want to do is go in and turn it. After you get it in there, you can see it in there. Slide it down in this little crack right here. Pull it over to one side. Now when you get in there, you want to have some resistance on that cuff, so when you push those paws, it'll release it. And it may be a little hard at first. I got pretty good at this. Now I seem to be struggling. And if you go, there you go. See, once you get them pushed in, they won't catch. And then you push this button on the back to reset it. I don't know if you could hear that. Now it's reset. Again, go in this hole, you see here, and bring your pick down on the side. You might have to play with it a little bit to get it in there. Bring it down into that little crack, and then shove it down in there. Oh, and if you go past, you may have to pull it back out. If you go past some paws down there, you'll have to drag it back out and start all over. There you go. See, again, it locked up by itself at that time. Pretty easy, but if your cuffs were rusted like mine, what you want to do is get a bag, a little baggie like this, spray some rust remover of some kind in there. I can use the BP, pretty good stuff. Spray it in there real good, and then take your bag, put your cuff in there, tie it up, let it set down in the corner, and fill that thing up and let it soak for about 2 days in there. Tie it up if you have to. Let it soak for a couple of days before you even attempt to pick the lock, because you want those things loose as they can be. Anyway, that's how you pick a tower beans handcuff. These are early 1900s. They look like they only fit a kid, but they do fit me, barely. I thought they were women's handcuffs at first. You see how tight they are. Anyway, it's my first video. Have fun if you run across one of these. I had fun doing it. Don't know whether to keep them or put them up for sale now. Anyway, that's my video. Let me know what you think about it.